In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the tempo of a sample in Ableton Live. Now to do this, first you want to select the sample you want to change the tempo of. I'm going to use this one up top, and what you want to do is go to the top where you can drag it around and then simply double click it. Now when you double click it down here at the bottom, it's going to show you this over here. So you have the kind of clip title bar over here, or the clip bar, and you also have your sample view over here. If you can see this, click down here and press Shift plus Tab, and it's going to switch from audio effects to this view over here. Now what you then want to do is you want to click on this button over here, which is of course the audio utilities, and you want to click on this to actually switch into this mode over here. And then what you want to do here is actually enable warp. So if I click on the warp over here, it's going to pop up this, and you want to click on yes. And then from here you can see the BPM. You can now go ahead and change your tempo of the sample in here. So if I want to divide this by 2, for example, as you can see, it's automatically going to stretch my audio to where it's going to fit my tempo. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.